Here's everything you need to know about resurfacing concrete driveway. Is it worth it? Here's what you need to know. Yes, if the cracks are hairline. No, if the slab is heaving or sinking. Resurfacing only works on a stable base. Quick answer: for best results, use 4000 psi concrete, proper reinforcement, and allow full cure time. Get 3 quotes from licensed contractors and check references before hiring. Moving on to resurfacing concrete driveway, when it works and when it doesn't. Resurfacing can restore a worn driveway at a fraction of replacement cost, but only if the base is stable. Understanding when resurfacing works and when it doesn't helps you make the right decision. Next up, when resurfacing works. Resurfacing is worth it if cracks are hairline, cosmetic only. Base is stable, no heaving or sinking. Surface is just worn or stained. Foundation is sound. Let's talk about when resurfacing doesn't work. Resurfacing will fail if slab is heaving, frost damage. Slab is sinking, base failure. Structural cracks exist. Base is unstable. Here's the deal with the bottom line. Resurfacing works on stable bases with cosmetic issues. It doesn't work on failing foundations. Have a professional assess your driveway first. They can tell if the base is stable enough for resurfacing. Need a professional assessment? Contact local concrete contractor. We'll evaluate whether resurfacing or replacement is the right solution for your driveway. Now let's look at need help with your concrete project? For a free quote on your project, visit localconcretecontractor.com. Thanks for watching.